Scheduling a quote or estimate visit in Fergus helps you assess the job on site and use your notes to create an accurate quote. Here's how it works. Begin by creating a draft quote. Before writing up the quote, you can schedule a visit by clicking Schedule at the top of the draft. Assign a team member to the visit, then click Schedule Quote to open the calendar. Simply book the event as you would with any other job. Once scheduled, the event will appear in the assigned user's Fergus Go app, so they'll have everything they need when they're on site. When it's time for the visit, the assigned user can open Fergus Go, navigate to the job, and proceed as usual. Since this is a quote visit, not an active job phase, they can log time as uncharged time, allowing you to track costs without billing the customer. During the visit, you can also complete forms, add photos, videos, and notes, and even create a quote on the go, amongst other things. When adding notes for the quote specifically, click on Quotes and add notes in here. If you have notes for the overall job, use notes in the main tool list instead. Once the visit is complete, you can also head back to your desktop to finalise the quote if you'd prefer. Simply open the draft and start building it out. All the information from Fergus Go, photos, videos, notes, will be available to help you create an accurate and detailed quote. And that's it! You've successfully scheduled and completed a quote visit with Fergus.